Good morning. Welcome to Digital Learning Days Week 5. I had to do a special recording for my marketing principal students because you guys have some interesting things going on. Everybody is going to be in high school next year. And so you guys have some extra special stuff that you have to do. Alrighty, so if you go into the activity feed, you will see that I have posted information about your performance final. Um, I am still awaiting specific directions, but my performance final should be available to you on April the 30th. So we are going to gear our class towards preparing you to take that final. And then you also have your regular final. So it is of the utmost importance that you complete these assignments so you can do well on those two finals that you're going to have, okay? Um, Additionally, I am having help meetings on Mondays from 10 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. And during that time, there will be a Zoom. So this is the link for the Zoom to join on those Mondays. During that time, you are going to be able to get help with your assignments, ask questions about grades, ask questions if you have any about finals, any questions or concerns that you have, you can ask me during that time. Um, Also, I'm having an FBLA meeting on Thursday from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now, as you guys know, I have told you that it's very important for you to get involved as if necessary. So there is an FBLA chapter at the high school level also. So it even if you're not an FBLA member, feel free to join the meeting and just get a little bit of information. Now let's go to your lesson. So let's take a look here. I start off with a video about the marketing mix. And of course, you know the marketing mix consists of the 4 P's of marketing. Watch this video and definitely pay attention to the information. Then the next thing you are to do is to go to the 4 P's, the marketing 4 P's notes. And so if you take a look at these notes, I have outlined some very basic information that should help you in achieving success on your finals. Um, it tells you about the basics of marketing, what's marketing, and then what is a market, which you guys remember we've covered this information before. And then it goes into a brief explanation of the 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotions. So make sure you take a look at those notes, and make sure that you read them, and try to retain some of that information about that. Then you have a discussion board. And on that discussion board, if you click on the heading, if you were to start your own business to sell a product, what kind of business would you open? Why would you open this type of business? And tell us about the business in detail. Do you think you would be successful? Why or why not? This should be in a paragraph form and should at least be 2 paragraphs, and you should respond to 2 other posts. Now, you guys know me. This assignment is for purpose. I need you to definitely get to thinking about what kind of business would open and feel comfortable with, that you feel like you might have expertise in. And as you know, you type in your last name as the heading, and then you click here to start writing your information. If I were to start a business, I would sell blah, 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 blah. And you answer all of those questions that are in that prompt, in this area. And then you go right here and you click post. And of course, you need to respond to 2 other people. Now, it's not a lot of work this week, but please take time to read over those notes. We will not be changing from this topic we are going to stay doing assignments under the marketing mix and the 4 Ps, okay? So those notes will be used again next week for assignments. So again, make sure that you're looking over the notes. Make sure you take a little time to think about what you're going to post in this discussion board before you start typing, because it could help you to better grasp the standard that we are working on this week, which is explain the concept of marketing strategies in the marketing mix. Okay, and then if you look, you should be able to do is apply my understanding of the marketing mix to a business. So we have to be very specific because I really want you guys to be prepared for your finals. Again, if you have any questions, any concerns about the assignments, please feel free to either join the Zoom on Mondays or reach out to me. I'm definitely here to help you. And then again, if you have any missing work, I've left all of these modules open. Please turn in your work so you can get those grades and get that understanding so you're better prepared for your classes when you go to high school, because if you continue the marketing pathway, they're going to expect that you have gotten this foundational information in this first course, and you're going to move on to the second course. Again, I hope everybody has a wonderful week, and reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a great day.